Have you ever asked a chatbot for real-world information like flight prices, weather forecast, or hotel availability and got answer that felt off, out of date, wrong? Here's why. Most AI agents are trained on a snapshot of information. By the time you ask them, that information is already stale. In this video, we are exploring how cutting-edge AI agent solves this problem using Bing search. And it's actually pretty clever. Imagine you are building an AI assistant, a travel agent. Your job, help customer plan trips. A customer asks, plan a trip for me with current flight prices, weather forecast and hotel availability. Sounds simple, right? But here's the problem. Flight prices changes constantly. Airlines adjust fares by the hour, sometimes by the minute. Weather forecast update every few minutes as new meteorological data comes in. Hotel availability that updates in real time as people book and cancel reservation. If your AI agent is relying on training data for months ago or even from yesterday, it's basically useless. It will give you wrong answers. Now you might think, that's just a search engine. No, it's a tool. When you connect an AI agent to Bing search, you're giving it the ability to search the web in real times. It can look up current flight prices, fetch today's weather, and check hotel availability at the moment someone asks. It's not guessing. It's not remembering old data. It's actually retrieving current facts. Let's see what happens without Bing search. Customer asks, what's the weather in Toronto right now? The AI agent thinks about this. It searches its training data and it says, I don't have access to real-time weather information. That's not helpful. In fact, that's frustrating. And it's exactly why many people don't trust AI agents for real-world tasks. Why does this happen? Because the agent is limited to what it knows from training. It has no way to access current live information. Now let's see what happens with Bing search. Same customer, same question. What's the weather in Toronto right now? This time, the agent has a different answer. Say 22 degrees centigrade and it's sunny. That's current. That's accurate. That's actually useful. How did it do that? It used Bing search. The agent searched the web from the current weather and got real, live results. Same questions, two completely different outcomes. How it actually works. So here's the technical bit, and it's not that complicated. When an AI agent has access to Bing search, it becomes a bridge between the AI knowledge and the internet current information. The agent doesn't need to know everything. It just needs to know how to ask the right questions and process the answers. Think of it like this. You don't memorize every flight price, weather forecast or hotel rate, but you know how to use Google to find that information instantly. AI agent with Bing search works the same way. Let's see this in real in our Azure Foundry. Say agent, new agent. So we have our agent ready. See, it says it doesn't have access. Enable web search. Let's use the same prompt. And we have the live data. So basically, its search is nothing but a tool which we can use and connect to our agent.